Hello friends, it's me Mr. Snake right here today, and today I'm gonna discuss about Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Plus. I'm gonna discuss about its features and I'm gonna review about is it good to use nowadays in 2018. Well, first of all, I will tell about this mobile that it was launched in 2016 November, and let's discuss about its features. It has a 5 inches display and 8MP main camera, this one backside, and it has a very good flash, and it also has a 5 megapixel front camera with LED flash. Let's go and check out. So here we go. In the camera you could see it has flash. If you auto zoom it, here you go, it has a very good flash right here in the front camera. So the front camera is pretty good. Another thing is its battery. Its battery is really amazing. 2600 mAh battery. It weighs about 160 grams. It has a very good plastic body. You could see its backside is really pretty. Really pretty. Well, talking about its really rare features is that it has multi-touch ability. Let's see. I have one touch right here, another touch right here. You can see it has multi-touches. So it is also very good function that this multi-touch could be used in browsing, etc. Another thing about its operating system. Its operating system is Android 6.0 Marshmallow. Let's go into about device and let's check out about its software info. Here we go into software. It's Android 6.0.1. Let's go and check out. It's Android 6.0.1 and it's Marshmallow. Let's get back, and the next thing is it has quad-core processor 1.4 GHz. Its internal memory is 5 GB. Its internal memory is 8 GB and 1.5 GB RAM. Here I clean some of the dust in the storage, and let's get back. Here you can see in the storage its memory is 8 GB, and in RAM it has 1.5 GB RAM, but the memory, which is 8 GB, it's very less. This mobile is usually used, is good for browsing. It's not for bigger works or making videos in this mobile. And talking about its SIM features is that it has dual SIM. Now talking about its comms, it has Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth 4.2, radio USB 2.0, micro USB, and it has also one more very great function which is not in any other mobile, and that function is, we're gonna show you here. It has secure folder. This secure folder is the best folder. It's not in any other mobile. Once you put a password in the secure folder, nobody could open it except you. Then the next thing comes its features. It has sensors such as accelerometer, proximity. Its browser is HTML. It does not contain Java. Now talking about its battery is pretty good, which is 2600 mAh, which is average as compared to the iPhone of latest technology. But its battery is still good for the Samsung mobiles. It has a talk time up to 12 hours, 3G, music play up to 59 hours. It also comes in black, gold and silver colors. Its price is about 400 dirhams and 140 euros. So if you go and check out, its movement is pretty fast. One more thing, we got a search for apps option in the top of this mobile. If we need to find any app, just go touch it and type it, and you're gonna get the app in seconds. When you go in settings, the same thing happens here. You got a search option, touch it, and you gotta go into anything which you type as soon as possible. So there's no need to go into such a long list, except that just touch and go. So all of its features are really pretty good. Its browsing is also very fast. Its operating system is also very fast. You could see it's pretty fast. There's nothing slow. So talking about it, it's really very great mobile and still in use by a lot of people in United Arab Emirates and in India. Its price is about 400 euros and its price is 140 euros and around 400 dirhams in UAE, which is about 125 or 29 dollars in USA. Thank you, hope you liked the video. I have made this video from Samsung Galaxy Note 3. The last video I have made from Galaxy Grand Prime Plus, so you could see how good quality of the video is which I have made from Note 3. Don't forget to like my video, share and comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.